Hey guys, today is October the 20th, and here's a rundown of what we're doing today. So if you're online, you'll need your pencil and notebook paper because we have our test today. We're going to go over a couple questions on Builder 8. We're going to have a question of the day. Then we're going to show you where question Unit 4 test is. Make sure where you go into Eduforia online testing. And then the question for the class, would you rather be fast but weak or be strong but slow? All right, so let's quickly look at Builder 8. So I have it under the board here. So I want to focus right now on these evaluate the expressions. I'm going to come over here, and when we evaluate means that we need to solve, but we need to plug in what this x is wherever I see x. So I need to plug in that 2 where I see x. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. So this is 2 times 2 plus 2. This is 6 plus 3 minus 2. 5 plus 7 minus 6 minus 2. And 5 times 2 plus 1. Okay, now we have expressions here and we need to solve them. Evaluate and solve are the same words. Mean the same thing. So remember, order of operation happens when we're doing this. We still need to follow those order of operations. So I need to multiply before I add. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 gives me 6. Here, 6 plus 3 gives me 9. Minus 2, I need to bring down. 9 minus 2 gives me 7. Here we have 3 operations, but because it's addition and subtraction, I just go from left to right. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So that's 12 minus 6 minus 2. 12 minus 6 is 6. Minus 2 gives me an answer of 4. And finally, we have 2 operations here. 5 times 2, that gives me 10. Plus 1 gives me a total of 11. So that is our builder. Remember, you need to get that done. Tomorrow we'll be going over a little more. We're going to focus more on the top with computation, especially with these fractions, giving us a refresher on how to add and subtract fractions. So I'll minimize this real quick so we can go back to our screen. Oh, the question of the day. So the question of the day, I'll flip the page over. So remember yesterday we had our order of operations question. Well, today is we had to figure out what this number was. 2 cubed times 3 times 5 times 10 squared. Okay, well, when we solve this, guys, you need to make sure you do it's just like order of operations. You got to do the exponents first. So 2 cubed gives me 8. Times 3 times 5 times 10 squared, so that gives me 100. Now I'm bringing everything else down. So times 3 times 5 times 100. So then I just go 8 times 3, well, that gives me 24. 24 times 5 times 100. And 24 times 5, well, gives me 120 times 100. And when I'm adding hundreds, it's so easy because all I'm doing is adding zeros to it. So my answer will have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 12 times 1 is 12. And then I'm having 3 zeros behind it. So my answer is 12,000. That answer is 12,000. So that is our question of the day. All right, let's go back. I took any questions before the unit test. Okay, and the unit test is in your portal. And you need to go to your Eduforia online testing. And for some reason, it does not want to be pulled up today. So you want to go to your Eduforia online testing, you know, the guy that looks like the rocket, little raccoon space looking guy, like Rocket from Guardians of the Galaxy. And your username, remember, is 0 and then your ID number. And the password is Raiders. all lowercase. All right, so take your time. This is the first 9 weeks the first week of the new 9 weeks test. So you want to take your time, don't rush through, and do your very best, all right? And I will see you later. Bye.